All right, here's an here's an additional example from 5.4 about using a cosine sum formula. Here's the problem. Find the exact value of cosine of u plus v given that sine of u is 12 over 13. We're using the first quadrant, and cosine of v is negative. That should be 3 over 5. There you go. That's not very good. Where v is in the second quadrant, negative 3 over 5. Okay, so the cosine sum formula says cosine of u plus v is cosine of u cosine of v minus, I need to make this smaller, sine of u sine of v. So the nice thing is we know some of this stuff from our problem. Sine of u is 12 over 13. Don't know sine of v yet. Cosine of v is negative 3 over 5. And we don't know cosine u. So we've got to draw some pictures. One with v, one with u. So they tell us that u is in the first quadrant. U is the central angle. Sine of u is 12 over 13. So that missing side is a 5. The other triangle, we need to know that v is in the second quadrant. And cosine of v is a negative 3 over 5, so that missing side is a 4. So cosine u, now we can look at this red triangle and find that cosine of u adjacent over hypotenuse is 5 over 13. And for sine of v, we're going to look at this guy. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so sine is 4 over 5. Then we can type this into our calculator, or we can just do a little math, whatever you prefer. Negative 15 over 65 and negative 48 over 65 ends up being negative 63 over 65. So that is our answer.